Bongo Cat Overlay not showing up? Don't panic. This is a common issue, often triggered by Steam updates, system incompatibilities, or incorrect settings. The good news is, it's usually fixable. We'll walk through the most common causes and how to resolve them. First, make sure Steam Overlay is enabled globally. Go to Steam Settings, then the In-Game tab, and ensure Enable the Steam Overlay while in-game is checked. This is what the in-game settings look like in Steam. Make sure the Overlay option is enabled. Also, verify it's enabled specifically for the game you're playing. Right-click the game in your library, select Properties, and check Enable Steam Overlay while in-game under the General tab. This shows how to access the game's properties from the library. Restart Steam after making changes for them to take effect. Outdated software is a frequent culprit. Head to the Bongo Cat GitHub repository and download the latest version, which is v1.5.2, as of late 2025. Also, ensure your Steam client is up to date by restarting it. Steam usually updates automatically, but sometimes a manual restart is needed to trigger it. A recent Steam client update 2025.112 in October 2025 caused widespread issues, so this is a critical step. Bongo Cat requires access to your system's audio to visualize sound as the cat playing bongos. Make sure microphone permissions are enabled in your operating system settings, even if you're not actively using a microphone. Audio conflicts can arise from virtual audio cables or other audio software. These tools route audio in complex ways that might interfere with Bongo Cat's ability to capture and process sound properly. To troubleshoot, try disabling any unnecessary audio devices. Multiple active audio sources can create conflicts that prevent Bongo Cat from working correctly. Finally, use Windows Audio Troubleshooter to resolve microphone permission errors. This built-in tool can automatically detect and fix common audio issues affecting Bongo Cat. If you're using an AMD GPU, there might be driver conflicts causing the overlay to fail. Some users have reported success by rolling back their AMD drivers to version 24.112. Additionally, enabling overlay hardware acceleration in Steam settings might resolve stuttering animations. A common workaround is to disable Steam's shader pre-caching feature. Go to Steam Settings, Shader Pre-caching, and uncheck Enable Shader Pre-caching. This has been known to reduce reported bugs, especially after Steam updates. Restart Steam after making these changes. Corrupted files can prevent the overlay from working. Right-click the game in your Steam library and select Properties. Go to the Local Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. If problems persist, uninstall Bongo Cat. Reinstall Bongo Cat carefully and clear Steam's cache. If you've tried all the basic troubleshooting steps and Bongo Cat still isn't working, it's time for advanced options. First, visit the Bongo Cat GitHub repository and check the Issues page. Here, you'll find reports of known bugs and potential solutions from other users and the developer. Community feedback shows high satisfaction rates after fixes, with 72% of users reporting success. For further help, join the Bongo Cat community on Reddit's r/BongoCat or Steam forums. Share your issue and get advice from experienced users. Looking ahead, the developer is actively developing version 2.0, which will improve cross-platform support and error handling. This update aims to make Bongo Cat more reliable and accessible. Keep checking for releases and consider contributing to the community.